Is there somebody buried inside?
No, there's a board.
Yeah, there's always a board that's
Yeah.
within 2 feet.
Let me hit it once.
Let Nikolai try.
It's going out.
Come on, destroy it. Good. Get your anger there, boy. Get your frustration in life.
Good.
This is anger therapy.
There you go.
There you go. Kick it. Come on, Loy. See, this one's gone already. Now ready here. Just need to take out that built-in right there, that cabinet there. This is already out. We decided to leave the leave that guy there, the counter, and just repaint it. Repaint all the cabinets. That horrible division is already almost out, and we're gonna go back to work. Rain, no good. It's good though, it's nice and cool. Nikolai sweep the floor and all that. Nikolai keeps sweeping all the. Now it's opened up. Look at that. It's opened up. You can see all that now. All the walls gone. Now you could see it's open. The wall towards the washing and washer dryer. The cabinets are gone. We just probably leave the counter that way. Repaint everything. And the boys said just leave that cabinet there. We'll repaint that one. And then there's one of the destroyers. You need to continue taking that one out there. There's a step in the floor. Probably have to have a gradual going up there.
But we just glue it right.
Yeah.
Just have this pushy glue. Right there.
And there's the hole there. There probably was mice there probably at one point. So that's where we are at. All the materials that were all thrown out here too, and all these guys you probably like to reuse that at one point. So we just need to add drywall in this part here, and that part there. Drywall and paint. It looks bigger now. See. And hopefully this will be the entrance to the other side, the addition. I'm gonna take the windows out probably, those two, and move it in the other side. So this will be a nice dining area here. It's big enough. Big dining area. And then the sala area here. So that's good. Kitchen. Alright guys, thank you.